Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to add your e-commerce products to your WordPress website using Elementor. Alright, today the only plugin you'll be needing is Elementor. It allows you to add on your products from your WooCommerce or whatever you would like to use onto your pages. In this case, we're going to be doing the home page. Alright, with this video, I was thinking about doing something to this site because I actually maintain this site full time, and I was thinking about adding something, and I was like, oh, I can make a video, because you guys, everybody who watches this video, we're family. All right, you guys have a dream. I'm trying to help you guys accomplish your dream on building websites, work for yourself, things of that nature. All right, let's go. All right, so we want to use same height, and then once you have the shop lantern plugin activated, all you have to do is go to your global globals, and then you'll scroll down and see WooLenter add-ons, and you just add on the universal product layout. Because I was talking, trying to make sure you guys understand. Because when I try to find videos on how to do certain things, I can't really find anybody. So I want to be that helping hand to you new starting developers. Alright, so after we add it, you can I would like to keep it on same height box so it matches up, it's consistent. And for the products you want to add, you could put your best selling, your sale products, top rated products, recent products is what I'll be using in this video. The product limit, you could put 3, 4. I think I'm gonna keep it at 3 though. Alright, and I don't like where these action buttons are. Woolenter calls these action buttons. I don't like where this is at. You could position them to the left, the middle, but I already know where I want it. I want it at the content bottom right here. Alright, and we need to change the colors because the colors aren't matching, the categories aren't matching, the action buttons aren't matching, so we need to get this sorted out. Alright, so you just go over the styles, of course having universal product layout selected, and for border I think I'm gonna go with the transparent look. Alright, and what that's gonna look hovered over is gonna be like this. Alright, it's gonna like raise it up so you see that you're hovering over it, but I want to give it like a glow behind it, like a glow to make the product bring out to life, because this is a kind of a spiritual shop, so we want to give that kind of like a witchery, because I you know all right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right here, and actually what we're gonna do is gonna go to the words up here, select that, and we're gonna copy the color of that because we want it all to match. We're gonna go back to the universal loadout, and we're gonna change the category. So we're gonna go to scroll to product category, and we're gonna change the color. Boom, and just like that. Alright, and if you want to change the typograph, you just go right here and you select whatever font you want. But right now we're gonna go find the font that we use mainly because we wanted to keep it matching. Make sure when you're making a website, you try to reuse fonts that you use and don't make it all over the place. Alright, so we're gonna use ACL. I'm just gonna remember it as ACL. Alright, remember, because if I ask you guys better know what I'm talking about. ACL. We're gonna go to categories, and what was it? ACL. Boom, just like that. And same with the title. We just go down to right here. I'm gonna type same thing, ACL. Make sure it's matching. Alright, the price looks good, and we need to change the color of the action buttons. So we're gonna go all the way to action button, and then we're gonna go to the right here, and instead, because we already have it in our global colors, we just press it, and it's just like that. And I like how it adds the little glow, but let's change it because this seems a little bit too dark for this site. try to like bring it like about that color, but we want it to make sure it's necessary, like a change. And this is the category. I want to bring it a little bit lighter, so you see it a little bit. Yeah, I think that's about right. I want to do the same thing. Regular price, rating color. We don't have rating on, so we don't have to necessarily worry about that. But for the title and action buttons, we need to change. So we're gonna go down there, and we're gonna go to hover. Just boom, just like that. Alright, I'm liking what we're doing so far. Alright, so let's go see how it's looking. Boom, beautiful. Alright, and if you want to make this bigger, you just go to your section, you go to your width, and that could increase the size of the images. We're gonna get it the right size eventually, but for right now we're just worrying about decorating it. Okay, so now that we got that set up, we're gonna go to universal, and I want it to add like a shine when you hover over it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to hover box. Oh, isn't that what we're, I think we got blown off track a little bit, because we're heading to do that. Alright, and perfect, so it's like a little glow to it. Alright, I think I want to make the glow a tad bit different. Let's see what we could do. Alright, so let's say if we increase the blur up to 15. Alright, the spread, let's increase this a little bit. We're experimenting here, guys, experimenting. Let's see. You guys, yeah, this seems pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna get it, because this is just a draft, because I'm gonna do some further experimenting to get this perfect. But for this video, we're gonna just improvise. So about this, and then you hover, and you just quick view, add to cart. And alright, and of course you're gonna want to add the heading. We're gonna put recent products. We're gonna put this in the middle. We're gonna change the font, because remember, we all want it to match. Boom, just like that. And of course we could increase the size of the text. And then boom, just like that. And if you wanted to give it a little bit of space, I want to do some more work to it. This is just so you have an understanding of what you would necessarily do if you're adding your product. Let's just put it at a calm 50. Alright, and that's what we would do. And now you have your recent products on your main page, and all you would have to do is just press update. Alright, for any questions, please ask me in a comment. Don't forget to like, subscribe for some further videos, and check out my website. Let me know if you know anything that could make it cooler, or if you want to join the team at all. Just let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. Maybe we could go from there. But thanks for watching. Have a good one, and have fun building your dream website.